Welcome to Taskdrip. You're hanging out with your man T-Mac. So in this video, I will teach you how to build a fully functional SaaS web app that you can monetize in just a week or two. Although this project took us over 9 months, if you check the GitHub repository, you can see here we began the Taskdrip web app around you can see here 9 months ago. This is when I actually started the project. So if you come over here, you can see here we've made changes. It's actually live. The project is live at taskdrip.online. You can see all the pages. It has a tax page. So if you come over here to the P2P market, you can see here we have actually set up a P2P marketplace where you can actually buy crypto, physical products, digital goods and services. You can actually trade them here with a backed up escrow protection system. And we have also the influencer portal here where you can actually check out all the influencers on the platform based on their niches. You can actually filter and find influencers, and you can actually find brands to work with. We also have BreedSkool with Influencer Academy, where you can actually connect with top influencers as a new and inspiring influencer to learn how to monetize the social media platforms, how to grow your social media channels and all of that. So this is all in place. So what I'm going to be teaching you in this series is a course actually we have here on Taskdrip. So if you come here and you come to BreedSkool here on Taskdrip, it's going to take you to this page here, and you see we have a couple of courses. This is it right here. I'm going to be teaching you fully how to build and monetize SaaS web apps with VibeCoding. So it's actually going to be a complete process. You can see here it's not a free course, it's a paid course. We've actually given this course at a discount. It's usually $250, but you can actually get it right now if you hurry before it goes back to the original price. You can get it at $97 right now. But you can see everything that will be covered here. You're going to learn the whole process from building with an AI agent. So I'm going to show you the AI agent we're using Replit. You can see here if I come to my Replit account, you can see here I just made an update to the web app. You can see here this is where our web app is hosted. You can see here Taskdrip online. You can see it's online. The database is also connected and is actually working. You can see if you look at the versions we have updated from GitHub, you can see here we have consistently been updating this app from GitHub. So all you need to do, the whole workflow is you build here from Replit, you connect it to your GitHub, you host it here on Railway, and you can actually sell them in your own marketplace. Like for me, I have a shop here which I've built on my own app where I can actually sell my apps and sell my scripts. Or if you decide to sell yours, you could actually build a shop of your own. You could build your own web app where you actually sell all of your softwares, or you could use more advanced or you can use bigger marketplaces like Envanto or Code Canyon. You can see here they have several creators here selling. So I'm going to show you how to actually list it here. Also, if you search for SaaS, you will see we have so many creators that are creating different products here, and they are making a killing over here. So for instance here, if you check here, you see this person has gotten 20 sales. This is it. It's his product is SaaS PHP script is at $76. If you check this other one here, and you can actually search for bestsellers. If you check for bestsellers, you can see people are making a killing over here. Imagine this guy here has sold over 10,000 of this Booknetics appointment booking and appointment scheduling application. He has sold 10,000 of it, and he's selling it at $225. Just do the maths how much this guy has made from selling this. So I'm going to show you the whole process, and you of course you have to go through the process of becoming an author. I'll walk you through the whole registration process of becoming an author here on Envanto, and you could have your products, your SaaS softwares applications here on Code Canyon. So you can just walk with me through the whole process, and I will guide you in the course over here at Taskdrip. So you know, if you are interested in understanding the whole process, building your own softwares, how to monetize them, how to sell them in marketplaces, how to host them, all the whole process, you can actually just come here to BreedSkool and come over to this build and monetize SaaS web apps course and just enroll here and sign up, create your account. Okay, I would advise you just create an influencer account, or if you're a brand, you can create a brand account. And once you create the account, you could just go back. Once you have an account, you can always just go back to the shop. You can always go back to BreedSkool. Once you have an account, you can always go back to BreedSkool here and pick the course. This is the course right here. Once you come over here, you can see here, you can just enroll. Once you click enroll, we actually accept crypto payments: USDT Tone, USDT Tron, USDT BNB, and Pi Network. So any of this that is okay with you, you could just click this. Our advice, you go with the 3 USDT payments, so you don't have issues. And once you click whatever network you're okay with, so I'm picking Tron, I'll just click checkout. Just copy this address. This is the Tron address. Send the amount. Once you click and you show you send the amount, you could click you sent it. Make sure you paste the transaction hash here, and you could actually after pasting the transaction hash here, you can actually upload the screenshots here. And once you do that, so let's just say you pasted the transaction hash and you submitted your payment of the transaction hash of the blockchain transaction hash, you can see here payment pending. Once your payment is approved, you would have full access to the course. So that is it. If you have any issues, you could use the chat bot here. You could ask questions here. You could you can see here we have our Telegram, we have our WhatsApp, we have support. Once you click the WhatsApp button here, it should allow you to send us a WhatsApp message. If you're okay sending us a message on Telegram or just dropping an email, that is fine. So thank you for hanging out, and have a great day. Bye.